What's going on, guys? Texas Mod Network here, coming back at you with another video today. Just want to kind of continue the streak here. I know I didn't really get much done yesterday. I went over the Bronco build series the other day, so I kind of want to do a breakdown today on the F-150, kind of the plans I have with it. Down the road I might end up selling the truck. I'm not really sure how much of this I'll actually get done. This is just going to be a general idea of what I would like to do if I do end up keeping the truck. So one of the first things I want to look at is Supreme Suspension's leveling kit. I really like them as a company. I really think that it would be a good fit for the truck. I don't plan on doing any kind of super big lift or anything like 4-inch or more. I really just want to level the truck out because it is just two-wheel drive. I just want to kind of get rid of the factory rake. I'm also looking at the possibility of getting an airbag set up for it because I do tow quite a bit with the truck, and I would like to be able to retain the leveled look when I'm towing and just kind of make it a really good towing suspension setup other than just for looks. Kind of moving on from there, I guess we'll go on to wheels next. So being that I want to level the truck, kind of move away from the stock wheels and tires, I'm looking at something maybe along the lines of the Fuel Forged line. I'm not sure. I'm still kind of going back and forth between the gloss look and the gloss and milled and just kind of like a flat black and maybe more of like a subtle off-road kind of beadlock look. I'm really not sure. I'm kind of leaning towards the Fuel Forged or, one of the forged wheels. Not 100% on that just yet. Moving on as far as tires, I really like the Nitto Terra Grappler tires. I want something that's just a good all-terrain. Another one that I looked at was I really like the BFG KO2s. I want something, semi-aggressive, so it kind of gives the truck a meaner look, but it's not too bad. Still kind of going down the highway and things of that nature. I don't need anything like mud tires or anything. The truck's really not going to go off-road. It's just more of a dedicated pavement princess, kind of, more for towing capabilities, that sort of thing. So all this is just to kind of, give it a little bit more custom look. This definitely isn't going to be as in-depth of a build as like the Bronco, which, I want that to be a dedicated off-road vehicle. So then kind of moving on from there, I am planning on doing a custom grill for the truck, which I will definitely be doing a video on. Trying to source somebody that has a plasma cutter or water jet that can actually cut the parts out for me. I have a design. I want to do something where I incorporate like a smaller light bar towards the bottom of the grill. I don't have the actual design pulled up right now. It's actually saved on my other computer. But just kind of the idea, I want to kind of go for custom, kind of more of the flat look. It'll be kind of my own design. It's kind of trying to get off on the the more custom side of things. I want to go for more of a Texas theme. I'm not sure exactly how well it'll be incorporated, but I think if I can pull it off the way I want to, you guys will really enjoy the end result. Another thing I definitely want is once I get the truck leveled and everything, I realize this is kind of lifted higher, but I really hate the stock running boards on the truck, so I really would like to try to find a set of the amp power steps for the truck. Really going to search around on like eBay and kind of in the used market because as many of you may know, the new ones are pretty pricey. Definitely not something that I really would like to spend the money on. It's something I like to have, but I'm not sure exactly, how soon that might come. Might not. Might just kind of end up having to stick with the stock running boards. It depends on how long I decide to actually keep the truck. But anyways, moving on from there, guys. For towing and everything, and I just really kind of like to have the extra power. I'm really considering doing a Pro Charger setup on the truck. Been kind of going back and forth. I've had some people tell me, hey, why don't you just do the, top mount supercharger instead of doing like a Pro Charger style setup. But I feel like for what I want to use it for, just kind of get more towing capabilities, just that little bit of extra power. I think the Pro Charger setup will kind of do what I want it to do. Just have to kind of source a kit, figure out how much I want to actually get out of it. I'm not really sure. That'll definitely be a lot further down the road. Nothing coming up really soon because that's definitely a lot pricier mod after I get everything, installed. I'd really like to do that so I could do a video on it, do the full install, and then I'd actually have to have the truck custom tuned, you know, to make the most power out of it. Really looking forward to trying to do something like that. And then one of the last few things that I'm really thinking about, like I said, I don't want to go too crazy with this truck, but I'll probably do some custom headlights. I'm not sure. They probably won't be that custom. It'll probably be more like just a blacked out lens. This is kind of the Anzo style. I'm not sure if it'll be really LEDs or anything, but I really want to just kind of go for a subtle black housing, something to kind of tie in with the grill. I don't want the truck to look too showy. I just want it to look clean and kind of defined. So we'll see how that works out. But anyways, guys, this is just kind of a quick overview of the truck. Just kind of stay with the daily vlogs, daily videos. If you guys did like the videos, if you like the kind of the build breakdowns and you want to see more of this in the future, let me know in the comments below. If you did like the video, please remember to subscribe if you want to see more content. And I will see you guys in the next one.